This is the SGLEDs 40 watt LED floodlight bulb. Let's take it out of the box. In the box you get the bulb, and you also get a Mogul base adapter. This has a standard E26 medium base, regular old everyday light bulb socket that any old light bulb fits into. If, however, your fixture uses a Mogul base like this, and that will screw on top, and that's what it would look like. And now this whole thing as a unit would go into your Mogul base fixture. So you can see there are 7 LED emitters, and the white thing around each of them is a ceramic heatsink. And you'll also notice that the entire bulb is vented. There's vents everywhere to allow for proper cooling of this. This is great for use in a warehouse or in a garage. Think of like an old garage in an older house, and it just has that one light bulb in the ceiling. Well, you pop that in there and you're going to be seeing everything in that garage and not stubbing your toe on that anvil in the corner. So I have the bulb here, and let's go ahead and turn it on. And that is exceptionally bright. The camera, of course, has adjusted down for that. Let me tell you a little bit about this, and then I'll show you a real-world example of it in use. This is 5000K in color temperature, so it's like a daylight type color, bright white, or cool white if you will, like that. And it puts out 5500 lumens. This bulb is non-dimmable. But let's go ahead and hang this, and I'll show you what it can actually do. I've shut the room lights out, and I just want you to see how much light this actually casts in every direction. Of course, it is mainly directional coming out of it like that, but the light definitely does spread to a lot of other areas. So let me hang this up, and I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, I just have this rigged with an extension cord, as you see there. But look at the floor and how everything is lit up. If you have a workbench in your garage and you're lucky enough to have a light fixture or want to put one in, excellent bulb for that. I mean, you can see absolutely everything here with no shadows except for the ones that you create. It's great all around. Super duper bright. This is a 40 watt bulb in that it uses only 40 watts of electricity, but it's putting out between 300 and 350 watts worth of incandescent light. Super bright. Everything is well lit. And being that it's made by SGLEDs, this is a company that is not kidding around with their lights. This is a serious light for whatever application you need. And the reason I say that is that it has a 5-year warranty on it. So if you have any problem, you can contact them and they will take care of that for you. So you know that this bulb is going to last you a good 5 years at minimum without having any trouble at all. Super bright, lights up everything. It's just great all around. And like most of their products, when this is plugged in, it goes on instantly. As soon as you hear that click, it goes on. It's instant. So there's never any delay in wondering, ooh, did it go out? Is it not going to light up? And then immediately it lights up. So as soon as you flick that light switch, it's on and you have instant light all around. An excellent bulb by SGLEDs. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find it available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.